Okay, now this is a miracle 4 times. This is actually complete. There's no way. This is literally indescribable. Okay, here's what happened. I did a recording about children's giggling. The bitrate on that ended on 366. Okay, so then I did another video recording me processing that. Okay, that bitrate came out to be okay. So I did that one. Okay, I did another video recording it, and then that video ended on what did I say? I said if this video ends on something miraculous, that'd be amazing, or something to that, paraphrasing. It ended on 42. Okay, that number is the 6 times 6, which is 36 plus 6. That's the Hitchhiker's Guide number. And I was describing how that's a trending math video someone did. He had 37 and 42 on both sides. He said it came out of his head, paraphrasing, out of his head, simply out of his head. It's not out of his head. In reality, I mean, subconsciously, there's something. These are miracle numbers. And yes, the 37 is one higher than 36, but close enough. Then I did a third recording to record that documentation of that, correct? So that a recording of the 42 bitrate miracle number. Okay, now you have to really understand something. The 366, without me, because I shortened the bit rates when I do this. Okay, I can shorten it. I have to do about 4 clicks, sliding or whatever. The bit rate that showed up on the very first one, is 366. So on the second video, it was when I reduced it down to, that one I had to slide. That was not initial. That one got it down to 42. Okay, so there's the difference there. The third one, which is this one. Okay. Now, of course, I said on that one, I said, okay, if it happens again, blah blah blah. Basically paraphrasing, I said I'll be handling it, but I wouldn't be surprised. Okay. This bit rate initially, without me changing it, is at 420, which is the exact one, almost, of the other one, because it's 42. This one has been reduced at 40. If I reduce this down, it gets 36. This is wow. Okay, do you see it? So 366. Okay, 366. No reduction needed. Got it down to 42 for the second video. I had to reduce it another way. 42. This one, no reduction. 420. So you see, you got 366, 42, now 420. Now, I'm going to reduce this one. Okay. Now, all this has to happen. Okay, let me think. The first video, okay, let me see. The first one is 366. Then 42. Okay, that's right, because this fourth one is the one I'm recording documentation of what I'm doing now. That's what's happening. Okay, that's right. I got it. Because I'm thinking, where's the fourth video? It's the one I'm recording right now as I'm recording. So if this one turns out to be another miracle number, this may go on forever. If it does, I don't have a choice. We're going to go all the way. We're in multiple dimensions now. All right, here, now, you're going to see in real time me reducing this down and see what we got. All right, are you ready? If this gets down to 36, if 36 in here, I will not be surprised. So now I gotta upload holy moly, I gotta upload 8 videos now. At least. Total 4 to each site. Holy moly. Alright, here we go. This is wow. Okay. I kind of reduced my workflow because I want to really get to my parents before they die. I might simply have to, in order to kind of reduce these miracles, I might simply have to start doing maybe audio recordings and more screenshots or something, because I might as well buy a lottery ticket or something. This is incredible. This is incredible. This is really incredible. Okay, I think I might be able to get my eyesight back. If I'm so, that's one of the things I really want. I want my eyesight back completely full. Yeah, I'm really nearsighted, but I'll have to be, you know, yeah, okay. You know, in the kind of the dark spot on the left eye. What sometimes, if I eat healthy, it goes away. So you got to keep your eyes strong. You know, that's the thing. So, but yeah, okay, here we go. All right, yeah, but I think I can still pray. You know, even though I'm realizing that prayer is a control mechanism. But I mean, maybe it is a true religion or something. All right. It's faith in the belief in the universe. Something. There's something going on. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. All right, we got 210. Okay, you know, see that 3? That's only if I'm reducing it down in between. So that in between doesn't count because it's going down. You see, it has to go on the very bottom. Okay. Now there's an interesting thing. We got 3, 6 flipped. So that's kind of it, yeah. That could kind of count a little bit. Not fully though, but you know. So well, let's see. Okay, since it could that count for something? Let's look. Okay, we got a 2, 6. So we kind of got a miracle, but this time it's kind of reversed. It's in the middle though, but that could still mean something. Okay, since that means something, I think I'm gonna have to record. Okay, let me get a screenshot of that. I've got this documented. We'll do one more recording. Can I do? Okay, I don't want to screw up this recording. I don't know if I'm gonna do a multiple recording. You know, I've never done that before. Let's do it. I've never done a triple recording. This is now I'm entering the 4th dimension. I'm literally entering the 4th dimension. I'm doing multiple recording. I don't know if this is possible. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've never seen that before. I'm doing a triple recording. I'm doing a double recording with me recording the recording. Alright. This is 236 is reversed here. You know, I was reducing the thing here. See, okay, so you know what was it? It was at 42, which is a miracle number in the Hitchhiker's Guide. Okay. This is a 5th. I think I'm entering the 5th dimension now. Okay, I'm literally entered the 5th dimension. Okay. It's now I'm gonna have to document this as miracle 4th dimension. The number is 420 bit rate with yeah, okay. Now I gotta stop. I don't know which this one is. I don't want to stop the wrong video. This one is the okay. What do we got? We got 2. Okay, oh my god, I got 2 of them. I don't know which one's which. I don't know which one's which. Because they're both going at the same time. Why do I do it? I don't need 2 at the same time. Did I open? Okay, I think I kind of. I see what happened. I don't think it was necessary for me to open up. Oh, see, here's that bit rate, so you can see that. It wasn't necessary for me to open up 2 at the same time, but I did. So this is funny. Okay. So if one of these has okay. Anyway. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens.